Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Hyundai/Kia 2.0 Crdi, common rail direct injection, engine has been a staple in their diesel lineup for many years, powering various models like the Hyundai Tucson, Santa Fe, i30, Elantra, and Kia Sportage, Ceed, Cairns, and Optima. Here's a comprehensive overview. History and versions. The 2.0 Crdi engine belongs to Hyundai Kia's D engine family, which began production around 2001. Early versions, like the D4EA, had a cast-iron block, aluminum cylinder head, and a belt-driven single overhead camshaft, SQHC, with 4 valves per cylinder. They used Bosch common rail direct injection, initially at 1,350 bar, 19,600 psi, later increasing to 1,600 bar, 23,000 psi, for second-generation D engines. Power outputs varied from around 111 PS to 152 PS. Later iterations, particularly those introduced around 2009 as part of the R engine family, brought significant advancements to meet stricter emission standards like Euro 5 and beyond. These newer 2.0 Crdi engines, e.g., D4HA, D4FD, SmartStream CRD, typically feature DOHC double overhead camshaft, variable geometry turbochargers, VGT, for improved low-end torque and efficiency. More advanced common rail systems, often from Bosch or Delphi, with higher injection pressures, increased power and torque outputs, with some versions reaching 185 to 186 PS and 400 Nm of torque. Integration with modern transmissions, including 8-speed automatics. More recently, mild hybrid technology has been introduced in some 2.0 Crdi variants to further enhance efficiency and reduce emissions. Review and opinions. Owners generally appreciate the 2.0 Crdi for its punchy performance and strong torque, especially in later versions with higher outputs. The engine provides good acceleration and effortless overtaking, even when fully loaded. Refinement. Compared to older diesel engines, the common rail technology results in smoother operation and reduced noise and vibration, contributing to a more comfortable driving experience. Durability. With proper maintenance, many owners report high mileage without major engine issues, emphasizing the importance of regular servicing and adherence to maintenance schedules. However, some owners have noted engine vibration at idle. While generally refined, some reports indicate noticeable vibration at low speeds. Fuel consumption. While diesels are often chosen for economy, some owners found the real-world fuel consumption, especially in city driving or with spirited driving, to be higher than claimed figures. Figures typically range from 6.7 L/100 km on long runs to 8 to 9 L/100 km in urban use. Advantages. Good fuel efficiency. Especially on highway runs, the CRD technology allows for precise fuel atomization, leading to efficient combustion. High torque. Diesel engines inherently produce more torque than similarly sized petrol engines, making them well-suited for hauling, towing, and effortless acceleration. Improved refinement. Compared to older, noisier diesel engines, CRD technology delivers a much smoother and quieter operation. Lower emissions relative to older diesels while still producing some harmful emissions like NOx and particulate matter, PM. CRD engines with modern emission systems, DPF, EGR, significantly reduce these compared to their predecessors. Durability. With proper maintenance, these engines are generally built to last. Disadvantages. Sensitivity to fuel quality. Common rail systems, particularly the injectors and high-pressure pump, are very sensitive to fuel quality and impurities. Poor quality fuel can lead to costly damage, complex and expensive repairs. The advanced technology, including sophisticated sensors, ECU control, and high-pressure components, means that diagnosing and repairing issues can be more complex and expensive than with simpler engines. DPF and EGR issues. Like most modern diesels, they are susceptible to issues with the diesel particulate filter, DPF, and exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve, especially with frequent short trips that don't allow the DPF to regenerate properly. Higher production cost. The increased complexity and number of specialized parts contribute to a higher manufacturing cost, which can translate to a more expensive vehicle for the consumer. Faults and breakdowns. Common issues reported with Hyundai/Kia 2.0 CRD engines across various generations include fuel injection system problems, fuel pump issues. Faulty fuel pumps can lead to hard starting, rough idling, and loss of power. Injector problems. Clogged or malfunctioning injectors can cause poor fuel efficiency, black smoke, rough running, and misfires. Washers under injectors can burn out, leading to sludge formation. High-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, failures. These can be very expensive to repair. Emissions system problems. DPF clogging leads to reduced engine power, performance issues, and the check engine light. Frequent short journeys exacerbate this. EGR system issues. Malfunctioning EGR valves or components can cause performance problems, overheating, and rough running. Catalytic converter issues. Failures can impact engine performance and emissions. Electrical and ECU problems. Wiring problems. Faulty wiring can disrupt communication between components, leading to intermittent issues. ECU issues. A malfunctioning engine control unit, ECU, can cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and performance problems. Other mechanical issues. Oil pump pickup tube clogging can lead to bearing misalignment in some older versions, D4CB, D3EA, D4EA, D4EB. Turbocharger problems. Wear and tear on the turbocharger's bearings or other parts can lead to reduced power and unusual noises. Cylinder head cracks, reported in high-mileage vehicles for some versions, D4EA, D4EB. Oil leaks. Some instances of oil leakage from the clutch combat chest between engine and gearbox have been reported, requiring significant repair work. Increased oil consumption can occur during dynamic driving for some models, D4HA. Fuel consumption. Real-world fuel consumption varies significantly based on driving style, vehicle model, transmission, and conditions. Claimed figures often range from 6.3 L/100 km to 7.4 L/100 km combined cycle. Real-world averages. Owners typically report figures between 7.5 L/100 km and 9.0 L/100 km, with highway driving often achieving better results, e.g., 6.7 L/100 km, and city driving tending to be higher. Mild hybrid versions may offer slightly better urban efficiency. Timing. The 2.0 CRD engine has used both timing belts and timing chains, depending on the specific engine version and production year. Timing belts. Older versions, e.g., some DOHC 2.0 L engines from 2006 to 2010 and models like the Sportage, use timing belts. Replacement intervals typically range from 60,000 to 90,000 miles or 48 to 72 months, with severe service conditions requiring earlier replacement. Timing belts are quieter but require regular replacement due to wear. Timing chains. Many newer 2.0 CRD engines, particularly those in the R family and later, utilize timing chains. Timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine, often 150,000 to 200,000 miles or more, and generally do not require scheduled replacement unless issues arise. However, issues like chain stretch or tensioner problems can occur, necessitating replacement. It is crucial to consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise timing belt/chain interval and type for your specific model and year. Oil. Oil type. For most 2.0 CRD engines, a 5W, 30, or 5W40 synthetic or semi-synthetic oil meeting relevant ACAC class specifications, e.g., ACAC 3 for DPF-equipped vehicles, is typically recommended. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact specifications. Oil change interval. Modern Hyundai Hyundai/Kia vehicles with 2.0 CRD engines generally have oil change intervals ranging from 7,500 miles to 10,000 miles, or 12,000 kilometers to 15,000 kilometers, or once a year, whichever comes first. However, severe driving conditions, e.g., heavy towing, frequent short trips, extreme temperatures, dusty environments, may necessitate more frequent oil changes, e.g., every 5,000 miles or 6 months. In summary, the Hyundai/Kia 2.0 CRD engine offers a compelling blend of performance, refinement, and efficiency for many drivers. However, like any modern diesel, it requires diligent maintenance, especially regarding fuel quality and emission system care, to ensure long-term reliability and avoid potentially costly repairs. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.